Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Mobile Legends game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and simply type in Mobile Legends and then start your search. Once you find the Mobile Legends game, just tap on it and you will see the install button if you haven't installed it already. Go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Mobile Legends game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button, you can tap on it to immediately open up and start enjoying the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Mobile Legends game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.